In this session, we are going to discuss the topic this collision of type this. Question can be solved in much shorter time, but to clear the concepts of calculation, each and every step has been given in the calculation work, which is going to be very useful. It is requested go through the session completely. Now let's start with the question and concept. Question is, in a scattering experiment, particle of mass 2m collides with another particle of mass m, which is initially at rest. Assuming the collision to be perfectly elastic, the maximum angular deviation theta of the away particle as shown in the figure in details is. Four options are given to you. One of the options is correct. Question is taken from JEE Advanced 2025. As ये हमने फाइंड आउट करना है, इनिशियली ये रेस्ट पे, इनिशियली रेस्ट as according to question, as the collision is perfectly elastic, means coefficient of restitution equal to 1. Coefficient of restitution क्या होता है? Relative velocity of separation, divided by the relative velocity of approach. In this case, momentum will be conserved, of point, and kinetic energy will be conserved. Now let us apply to the figure. Now to apply this concept to the question. Now in this case, this is let initial velocity equal to u. इसकी initial velocity 0 है, and इसकी velocity मान ली final velocity v1, final velocity v2, making angle phi. Now on resolving, 2m आएगा, 1m आएगा, 2m v1 cos theta m v2 cos phi. एक परपेंडिकुलर जाएगा इसके, लाइक दिस, जगह कम होने की वजह से छोटा बना रहा हूँ. 2m v1 sin theta m v2 sin phi. This is the figure. Now applying concepts according to conservation of energy, conservation of momentum लगा देते पहले, चलिए कुछ भी लगा दीजिए, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. According to conservation of momentum, twice m u plus 0 equal to, firstly हमने along x-axis, after along x-axis equal to twice m v1 cos theta plus m v2 cos phi, m से m कट गया, twice u equal to twice v1 cos theta plus m v2 cos फाइव। बस इनिशियल देखिए ट्वाइस एम यू प्लस इसकी वेलोसिटी 0। फाइनली इसको रिजोल्व किया ट्वाइस एम वी वन कॉस थीटा प्लस एम वी टू कॉस फाइव। तो m से m कट गया तो बचा ट्वाइस u इक्वल टू ट्वाइस v cos थीटा and v2 cos phi. These are the two combinations, right? Now, according to conservation of kinetic energy, half twice m into u square plus 0 equal to twice m u square 0. इसमें along y axis भी अभी लेना वो लेते हैं twice m u square 0 plus this comes out to be half twice m v1 square plus half m v2 square. That is हाफ काट दिया दोनों तरफ तो बचा क्या m भी काट दिया तरफ ट्वाइस u स्क्वायर इक्वल टू ट्वाइस m u स्क्वायर प्लस v2 स्क्वायर। v2 स्क्वायर कम्स आउट टू बी ट्वाइस u स्क्वायर माइनस ट्वाइस m तो कट गया ट्वाइस v1 स्क्वायर। एक इक्वेशन ये आ गई। ये इक्वेशन 3 है, ये इक्वेशन 1 है। इसका हम m भी काट दिया तो v2 cos phi comes out to be u minus twice u minus twice v1 cos theta, right? ये इक्वेशन 1 आ गई। अब इक्वेशन 2 along y axis conservation momentum, तो along y axis में initially this will be equal to this one, तो 0 equal to twice m v1 twice m v1 sin theta minus twice m m v2 sin phi, that is m से m कट गया v2 sin phi equal to twice m twice v1 sin theta. ये along इसके आ गया, ये इक्वेशन 2 हो गई। Now what we'll do, we will eliminate v2 and sin phi from 1 and 2 using 3, right? Now let's move further. Now squaring and adding 1 and 2 simplify. Squaring 1 and 2. 1 is v2 cos square phi, v2 square cos square phi equal to this comes to 4u square plus 4v1 square cos square theta minus 8u v1 cos of theta. And this is v2 square sin square phi equal to this comes out to be 4v1 square sin phi, 4v1 square sin phi, sin theta, 4v1 square sin theta, 4v1 square sin square theta, right? Adding this is the cos square theta phi plus sin square v2 square equal to 4u square plus 4v1 square minus 8uv1 cos of theta, right? Say this equation is 4. Now our requirement to find the equation in v1 and theta, eliminating v2 using 4 and substituting in equation 3. तो ये क्या आएगा, 3 इक्वेशन क्या है, V2 स्क्वायर, V2 स्क्वायर तो 4U स्क्वायर प्लस 4V1 स्क्वायर माइनस 8UV1 cos of theta equal to V2 square twice U square minus 4 twice V1 square. एक बार और कंफर्म कर लें, twice U square minus twice V1 square. This simplification will come, this comes out to be 4V1 square, 6V1 square plus ये गया 6V1 हो गया माइनस 8UV1 cos theta माइनस प्लस 2U स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 0. 2 से डिवाइड कर दिया, 3V1 स्क्वायर माइनस 4UV1 cos theta प्लस U स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 0. ये फाइनली इक्वेशन आ गई, राइट. On solving, as equation is quadratic in B1, तो A इक्वल टू हो गया 3, B हो गया 4U cos theta with negative sign, C हो गया U square. For real roots, D should be greater than or equal to 0. B square 16U square cos square theta minus 4 into 3 into U square should be greater than or equal to 0. तो U square से U square कट गया, 16 cos square theta minus 12 greater than 0. Cos square theta greater than or equal to 12 upon 16. That is 3/4. So cos theta greater than root 3/2. If A greater than B, if A is greater than 2, maximum value is, minimum is 2 and maximum is infinity, right? But here be careful, as angle theta increases, cos theta decreases. Therefore, maximum value of cos theta is root 3/2. That is theta equal to pi/6. This is the maximum value. This is the answer, right? Let's check the answer. Answer is D option is the correct option, right? Now, I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, Set His Shift Learns, please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Thank you.